Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to format a USB flash drive to FAT32, also how to format a USB flash drive larger than 32 GB with FAT32. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Method 1. Using File Explorer. Connect your USB drive to your computer. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. Click on this PC. Right-click the USB drive and select Format. In the Format window, enter File System. Select FAT32. Click Start to begin the formatting process. Be aware that this will erase all data on the drive. Method 2. Using Command Prompt or PowerShell. Connect your USB drive to your computer. Open Command Prompt or PowerShell or Terminal as administrator by pressing Windows key plus X and selecting Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin, or Terminal, Admin. Type the following command and press Enter. Replace X with the drive letter of your USB flash drive. Note, formatting will erase all data on the drive, so make sure to back up any important files before proceeding. For USB drives larger than 32 GB, the built-in Windows Format tool won't allow you to format to FAT32 directly. In this case, you can use a third-party tool like GUI Format or Disk Genius. These tools make it easier to format larger drives to FAT32. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.